Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now today I'm talking about how the auto scaling and instance group with custom cloud monitoring metrics. So how we can achieve that and how to do and what is the process. So step by step I'll be explaining here. So first of all, let me clean this page just to see. This is a cloud console. So in cloud console, through cloud console, whatever the requirement, we can provision the resource in Google Cloud Platform, or you can use the console page as well. So first of all, let me explain for this requirement. First of all, you have to create a bucket. So bucket, as earlier video, I just explained how to quickly how to get that product access. So let me click on navigation menu, and here as you can see view all product. In view all product, if you click on view all product, there will a good page will be mm, display. Then here in left hand side, suppose I am looking for Google Cloud Storage bucket. So you click on storage bucket, then the all detailed storage will be displayed over here. Suppose I am looking for cloud storage, so I'll click on cloud storage. Once you click on cloud storage, then storage bucket details will be display over here. So I have already created that bucket, but how to create the command line tools or uh, through console? For now, I'm just showing you what is the command to create the bucket. So this is the command gsutil mb and you have to mention the bucket name. So this command I used to create this bucket, and the code which in our public repo. So the code I just copy from public GCS bucket to my local cloud storage bucket. So this is the command how to how to copy and the data from public bucket to your project bucket. So this is the command. And then once done, once you copy, then you just click over here and to verify, because I have already done. So you can verify the all the details, files and folders already placed in this particular bucket or not. You can check over here as well. So once done, then I will click on compute part. So let me quickly go to the compute part, because I'll have to create a template. So in template, uh, so click on compute engine. In compute engine section, so you can find out the template. So, because as per my requirement, first of all, I need to create a template. So, as you can see, left hand side there is a template. So, click on template. There is a two option over here to create the template, or through automation also we can use Terraform script as well. For now, I have used the gcloud command to create the template. So, what is the command I have used for to create the template? Let me show you. This is my gcloud command to create the template. You guys also you can follow this gcloud command to create the template. So I have already created the template. The template name is autoscaling instance. So now the next step is to, once template is created. So next step is to create the instance group. So now you click on instance group, then uh, I have already created, but how I have created, I'll show you. For now, I have created this instance group through gcloud command. So this is the command which I have used to create a instance group. So you can also follow. So through the Cloud Shell command line tools, I use the gcloud command, then it is being created. So once your instance group created, you can see, click on VM instance, and you can see all the nodes are because in uh, Google Cloud instance group, I have mentioned the what is the maximum number of nodes and what is the minimum number node is required to maintain our auto scaling. But this topic is to discuss the auto scaling and instance group with the custom cloud monitoring metrics. How we'll achieve that? That is our plan to show how to do that. So first of all, I'll come to the instance group. Let me open the instance group. Oh, yeah, in instance group page, just you will click on whatever the instance group I have created. You will click on that, and then just there is a option is auto scaling. In auto scaling, you click on change. Later point of time also you can set up the auto scaling metrics. So here there is a option called auto scaling metrics. Our main focus in our instance group how to maintains our metrics in auto scaling. So here you can mention there is a drop down. You have to select the option is available. The edit metrics. So there is an options like HTTP load balancing utilization. For now, I am just showing the cloud monitoring metrics. So I have already selected cloud monitoring metrics. Then metrics export scopes. For now, just I have selected time series per instance, but single time series per group also you can select. For this particular video, I have trying to explain about the time series per instance. Then matrix identifier, these options, number of options is available. For now, I have selected this one, and the utilization target I have put 150, and the number of minimum number of instance one I selected, and maximum is 3. So you can select likewise, and then after that once you selected, then you click on save. Just let me click on save. Yeah, so I just selected the metrics for auto scaling. So then let me quickly click on monitoring. Now the time to monitoring. Uh, you can see the current autoscaler stat is on, and you also select auto refresh because every time it will refresh. So based on my parameter or the object I have mention, based on that it is visualizing my auto scalar matrix for my instance group. You can see details information is already displayed over here. So this is the intention to also this practical hands-on how to achieve in manage instance group, how to create our metrics, auto scaling metrics. Uh, that will be helpful when you are using any instance group for your project. So hope you guys it will be helpful because I have explained step by step how to uh, set up and how to modify the auto scaling metrics and how to monitor. So I hope it will be helpful those are interested to implement this setup in their project. So really it will be helpful. Thank you all of you. So if you want to know a little bit more about Google Cloud, so ping me. So based on that, I will create the video so that it will be helpful. Uh, thank you very much for this.